What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Old Man Weiss. Today I got my old drum set out here. As you can tell, it's old. It's about 26 years old. It's pretty funny sticker. But yeah, I mean everything's so I'm gonna get all the rings, heads off, get all the hardware off, get all this off, and we're gonna get it ready to paint. I might paint it right now, today. I got the spray paint over here I'm gonna use. It's a color match for my pickup truck. It's right here. I already kind of did a little test thing, but so that's the plan. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, get all these broken down to bare shells, and I'll come back on and we'll start getting them painted.
We gotta take a night train to the default city to rock out this fucking ancient walls. We gotta take a night train to the default city to make us dreamers to down in reverse. We gotta take old dirty night train. Yeah, we gotta take old dirty night train.
Alright guys, I got them stripped down, sanded down. I got this groove right here. Told you guys I'm gonna got some wood putty. Just gonna come down here and just work it in that groove. Gets filled in there nice and good. Get you guys over here so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. So yeah, basically get you some good decent wood filler and boom. And then you can go around any place like that you see that could use some wood filler. Go ahead and hit it while you're doing it. Then you can sand it down later on. Let's see, we got any place else that's bad and needs attention that I see? Nope, that's pretty good on that one. All that was sand down and look good. Then I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna check these other two. I'll do the same, and then I'll get it sanded back off and we'll get it ready to put a coat of paint on.
I just got a new coat still.
Okay.
Got a little brand new feel. Not so fast, switchblade, cut your car with. I'm on top, self-made, I'm the real deal, yeah. Switchblade, 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 switchblade. I'ma take the rape, no cap. Trying to not get clapped. I'm tapped in, bulletproof vest, no strap. Don't test me, cut through quick, that's fast, yeah. Switchblade, 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 switchblade. switchblade, switchblade. I cut so deep you need first aid. Don't try and run if you know you can't get away. Still having fun and it feel like my birthday. Whoa now, slow down, yeah. Blood everywhere, it's a showdown, yeah. Always on top, never go down, yeah. Doing this is all I know now.
Alright guys, it's the next day. I got these all painted, letting them dry. I gotta get some clear coat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it on. Now I'm gonna get some 1000 grit. I'm gonna go back over them, because as you can hear, their outside's a little rough. So I'm gonna sand it down, go back over it with some, you know, some more of this, and then clear it again, and then I feel like it should be pretty smooth. I have to get on and order hardware this week. I want to try and replace all the hardware if I can, but I got to go through and measure sizes. Where's the tape measure? Because I believe a lot of these holes and stuff are different. Like for the big one, what is a 2 1/4? Then these are 1 3/4. So some of these are, yeah, it's like 1 3/4. So there's different sizes. So I'm gonna have to go through, add up how much I'm gonna need of what, and then figure out I'm gonna have to get I think I have to get a bottom tom ring for this one. But I'm gonna have to get all new studs going around and all that. So I'll be getting that here in a week or two, and we'll get all that done, get that put on. But for right now, that's going to be all for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys know any good place to get drum hardware and stuff from, so I can check it out before I order it maybe. If not, it's just going to be Amazon special probably. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good weekend and take care of yourself.